As a gamer, you're going to need a lot of things: a decent PC or a gaming console, a set of quality speakers for immersive in-game sounds, and obviously, a good chair. We chose the products based on their price, comfort, and quality, so no matter what type of buyer you are, we will have an option that suits your needs. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Our first pick is Homall's high-back racing chair, which is an excellent choice for gamers on a cash-strapped budget. Don't be fooled by its price tag, though. This gaming chair is of excellent quality and offers much in terms of features and comfort. First and foremost, let's briefly touch on Homall's racing chair's aesthetic component. Its outward appearance is great for the buck, sporting modern patterns and a remarkable finish that greatly complements the leather construction. Moreover, it comes available in 6 color style options, including black and blue, black and red, black and white, black, gray, and purple, all of which look phenomenally great in their own way. This is a somewhat larger gaming chair. The dimensions of its back area measure 22.5 inches in length by 30.5 inches in width. The seat measures 19.8 inches in length by 20.5 inches in width. The seat's position is also adjustable, allowing you to adapt to the angle of your monitor rather than the other way around. In terms of design, this chair sports a high back that offers superior back support, which is exactly what gamers need, especially those in the competitive world who spend substantially more hours anchored to their seat. It also sports a neat little lumbar support cushion that is highly adjustable and removable. The chair features 2 relatively small armrests made of plastic material. They're semi-adjustable, but they don't feature any sort of padding, which makes them slightly less comfortable to use than average. One of the finest features of Homall's gaming chair model is the recliner function. You can adjust and tilt the back of this chair up to 150 degrees, which is great for both relaxing and casual games, as well as for serious ones that demand your focus to be at its peak. Additionally, this chair features the rocking feature that can be used by twisting the knob that's right under the seat. Although this particular feature isn't necessarily all too useful for gaming in particular, it's pretty great for watching movies and relaxing over YouTube clips. Homall's gaming chair is made of PU leather that is highly resistant to wear and tear, but it's also skin friendly and will serve you great during both hotter and chillier seasons. All things considered, Homall's gaming chair offers tremendous value for the money, and it would have been taken into consideration for our top 5 gaming chairs 2020 list, even if it was a bit more expensive. Next up is one of the best-selling gaming chairs on the market, GTRacing's Pro Series GT099 gaming chair model. In a nutshell, this particular model can be considered as a modified and upgraded Homall's gaming chair. It sports a similar set of features and functions, but all of them are pretty much superior in every way imaginable. Aesthetics-wise, this gaming chair looks pretty breathtaking. The color finish looks extraordinarily great on the leather, and all of the main features feature colors that match and complement those of the base. Speaking of which, GTRacing's Pro Series GT099 gaming chair is available in 7 different color style options, including black, red, purple, blue, pink, and more. In terms of size, it's also bigger than an average gaming chair, offering more space for comfort, relaxation, and twitchy movements when you get surprised by an ambush, a spell, or a gunshot during a game, or if you're simply annoyed after suffering a loss. Its dimensions measure 29.86 inches in length by 21.26 inches in width by 48.82 inches in height. Furthermore, the seat's height can be adjusted from 48.52 inches to 51.97 inches. The maximum supported weight of GTRacing's Pro Series GT099 gaming chair is 300 pounds, although it's pretty light and most people would underestimate it in this particular field of performance. This gaming chair is built like a tank. It features a sturdy metal frame that offers just as much durability as it does stability. Now, as far as comfort rating goes, GTRacing's Pro Series GT099 gaming chair is very gentle, but it also sports a removable headrest, a lumbar support pillow, and an exceptionally comfortable seat. It also sports 2 mid-sized armrests that are padded for extra comfort. They're also adjustable, removable, and can recline, just like the chair's back, up to 170 degrees. The rocking feature is also a part of the reasons why we've liked it so much, but again, you probably won't use it while you're gaming. Overall, GTRacing's Pro Series GT099 gaming chair is a stunningly beautiful, exceptionally comfortable, stable, and reliable gaming chair that offers more value than most entry-level and mid-priced models. Even though it's pretty hard to follow up on GTRacing's Pro Series GT099 gaming chair's performance, we dare say that quite a few models in the middle price point category are pretty close by. A great example of such a chair is GTRacing's Core Series EX gaming chair. As far as looks go, GTRacing's Core Series EX gaming chair is truly a piece of art. In comparison to our earlier picks, it's actually quite minimalistic looking, but that's actually what makes it so elegant and pleasing to the eyes. It's available in black, black and blue, black and red, blue and black, and black and red color options. Although slightly smaller than average, GTRacing's Core Series EX gaming chair is still fairly big with dimensions that measure 19.7 inches by 20.9 inches by 52.8 inches. It's not heavy per se, but it's certainly not the lightest gaming chair out there with 57 pounds of weight. Starting from the ground up, this gaming chair sports a set of 6 easy rolling wheels made of durable plastic. They're fixed onto steel legs that are built into the highly robust base that can support up to 330 pounds of weight. The seat of GTRacing's Core Series EX gaming chair is sized just about right. But what makes it so great is that it sports soft and highly breathable fabric construction. Although many people might prefer leather over fabric, the latter provides a substantially higher level of comfort rather than just feeling good initially due to the superior breathability. This chair also features a big lumbar support pillow, as well as a small headrest. Both features are fully adjustable and removable, which makes them very easy to use and to clean. GTRacing's Core Series EX gaming chair sports a pair of 3D armrests that are highly adjustable. You can move them in 3 different directions, including up and down, back and forth, as well as sideways. Although this gaming chair doesn't feature leg supports or the reclining function, it does come supplied with the rocking function. Overall, GTRacing's Core Series EX gaming chair is a beautiful, breathable, and highly adjustable gaming chair that offers and promises much in terms of comfort and convenience. If you have somehow managed to not expend your entire budget on a top-tier gaming rig, you might want to spend the remainder on a high-quality gaming chair. If such is your case, we highly recommend checking Noble Chair's Icon gaming chair out. In short words, this is not a feature-packed chair, but it sports a myriad of functionalities that make it one of the most valuable and most versatile gaming chairs in the boutique section of the market. First of all, this gaming chair features a set of 6 reinforced roller wheels, each sporting a 360 swivel function. The wheels are specifically designed to withstand rough handling, and they're pretty much as durable as the rest of the construction. Speaking of which, Noble Chair's Icon gaming chair features an incredibly robust frame that can support up to 330 pounds of weight. The wheels are attached onto the metal legs that are built into the construction of the base, providing more stability than most boutique and mid-price models. Now, what's really interesting about this gaming chair is that it actually does not come supplied with neither a lumbar support pillow nor a headrest pillow. Instead, it sports reinforced padding on the lower back area and beautiful leather upholstery on the upper section. This chair is made of high-quality PU leather that is as soft and comfortable as it is durable and thick. All things considered, Noble Chair's Icon gaming chair is an expensive model that offers premium comfort, top-shelf features, and minimalistic convenience atop simple maintenance and setup. Our final pick is Secretlab's Titan gaming chair. Basically, this chair is among the finest models you could possibly score for the money, so if you won't settle for anything short of perfection, you might want to consider Titan as your new workhorse. First and foremost, the dimensions of this chair, when assembled, measure 32 inches by 13.5 inches by 27.5 inches. It's obviously smaller than average, but it has spacious seat and back, which is pretty much everything that should concern you in terms of size. In terms of comfort, it rocks leather upholstery that was double-stitched for unparalleled durability. It was obviously built to last, and maintaining it shouldn't present any major issues. The Secretlab's Titan features a pair of 3D middle-sized armrests that are completely adjustable and removable. Sadly, it doesn't come outfitted with a lumbar support, leg supports, or a headrest, but it was designed in the most ergonomically efficient way, which means that you'll be free to game away for hours uninterrupted. Instead of using metal or steel, Secretlab engineers used reinforced aluminum for the construction of the base and wheels. Both of these features are incredibly sturdy and are as reliable as can be. Now, the real reason why this gaming chair model is better than most boutique ones is that it sports PU Prime 2.0 leather material, which is almost completely impervious to abrasion and scratches. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.